Hello students, Jai Swaminarayan. Thought of the day. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Now, don't watch the clock. Do what it does. What does the clock do? It keeps on going. Okay, it keeps on going, whatever situation it may be. So it is related to your life too. That whatever situation it is, you need to keep going. Okay. Hello students, today in this session of grammar we are going to continue with the textbook solution. I have explained what are sentences, right, and question number A was done, right. So today we will start with question number 2, that is on page number 2, right. Let's correct it. Question A, page 2. Okay students, now what we have to do in this? First, means the question is change the statements into questions in your notebook. Right, now they have given the sentence in a statement form, right, normal statement, basic statements, right, that you have to change into what? Into question. So it's very easy. We'll start. First one is, this is a beautiful spot, and I'll give you a short method, means how we can change easily into question. If the statement is having helping verb, right, so with the help of that helping verb we can easily frame a question. For example, in first question it is given, this is a beautiful spot. So students, is our helping verb, right? So from that we can easily frame a question, is this a beautiful spot, right? So what will be the answer? Is this a beautiful spot? Now as we are framing question, what is necessary students? At the end what you have to put? You have to put question mark. Okay. Now in the same way, second one, no one should tolerate injustice. Now here no one should tolerate. So should is a helping verb for us, right? So how we will write? Should anyone tolerate injustice? From that helping verb we can easily frame a question. Should no one tolerate injustice? Again question mark, as it is in a question form. Okay students, everyone is familiar with the roar of tiger. Now in this sentence also helping verb is given, that is. So with the help of that helping verb we can easily frame a question, that is everyone familiar with the roar of a tiger? Right, very simple. Is everyone familiar with the roar of tiger? As it is question mark, what we will put? Question mark. As it is a question, so we will put question mark. Now next one, it is useless to cry over spilt milk. Now here also helping verb is given, that is, right? So we can easily frame question with the help of that helping verb, that is it useless to cry over spilt milk? What we will write? Is it useless to cry over spilt milk? Question mark. Now fifth one, everyone has heard the Beethoven. Now Beethoven is a person, right? Now everyone has heard Beethoven. Now has is a helping verb. So with the help of helping verb, what we will do? We will frame question. Has everyone? Question mark. Has everyone heard of Beethoven? Question mark. Now, sixth one. Now, students, God helps those who helps themselves. Now, in this sentence, there is no helping verb. God helps those who helps themselves. So, what we will use? We will use W form of question, right? That is, who does God help? Or whom does God help? Right, you can also use whom does. Okay, now next, he ranked first in his class. Now here there is no helping verb. Again there is no helping verb. He ranked first in his class, right? Now this sentence is past tense, right? Past sentence. As I told you that when in a sentence helping verb is not given, you can use do form, right? What do form includes? Do form includes do, did and does, right? Now from that did we use for past event. So here ranked is given. What is given? Ranked, R-A-N-K-E-D, right? Ranked. So ed, it means it suggests that this event is past event, right? So what we will use here? Did he rank first in his class? Question mark. Now 8. We met each other on the way to the market. Now we met each other on the way to market. Now students, this question suggests place, right? It suggests what? Place. Now in this sentence also there is no helping verb, but we can make the sentence by using where. Why? Because in question there is place, right? So place means where. For example, if I'll say, ask you, where are you going? So you will tell me the particular place that where you are going, right? So with place we can use which form? W form, that is where. Where did we meet each other? Okay students, now next is she wore the best dress. Now she wore the best dress. Now here also helping verb is not there, right? So how we can identify? We can use W form, that is who wore the best dress. Who wore the best dress. Okay students, and then question mark, as it's a question. Now last one, he ate all the cookies. Again there is no helping verb, so what we will do? We will use W form. He ate all the cookies. Who ate all the cookies? He ate all the cookies. And then question mark, as this sentence is what? Is a question. Question number A, page number 2. Okay, what we have to do in that? We have to change this statement into questions. Okay, so write down this in your